Welcome to another update on Tropical Cyclone Iris. Currently a Category 1 system, but is likely to be upgraded to a Category 2 status. Latest from the Bureau at 5:15 at 1600 hours. Tropical Cyclone Iris, central pressure 997 millibars, located over the Coral Sea. Located 17.2 degrees south, 148.7 degrees east, which is about 315 kilometres east of Cairns and 305 kilometres northeast of Townsville. This is another look at the life of the tropical cyclone. Tropical Cyclone Iris is currently tracking south at 6 kilometres an hour. Derringers wind gusts are possible about coastal and island areas between Wollaston and Serena. As the cyclone makes its closest approach to the coast, heavy rainfall also possible between Ayr and Serena. Severe weather warning is also in place. This is updated 1637. Derringer winds with peak gusts in excess of 100 kilometres an hour may develop about the coast, island and higher terrain within the warning area between Townsville and Serena during a Monday evening or Tuesday morning. Heavy rainfall may lead to flash flooding possible between Ayr and Serena, 6 hourly totals, 50 to 100 millimetres possible, local falls up to 150 millimetres, 24-hour totals around 200 millimetres, could be higher. Locations which may be affected include Mackay, Proserpine, Bowen, Townsville, Palm Island, the Airlie Beach and Hamilton Island. Bureau of Meteorology has a gale warning for the remainder of today for the Cairns coast down to Townsville. Strong wind warning in place for Mackay. And for Tuesday, gale warning will be in place for Cairns down to Mackay and offshore growing a beef correction. Try again. Great Barrier Reef offshore and strong wind warning for the Capricornia coast. So not much has changed. That is the latest from the Bureau of Meteorology, and here is a look at the latest NOAA floaters. Joint Typhoon Warning Centre is now back on board. They have it 167 nautical miles east of Cairns, tracking west-northwest, would you believe? Vast difference to the Bureau's position tracking south, and the JTWC has it west-northwest, but perhaps one shouldn't be hard on them because they are about 6 hours behind. However, one can't underestimate Tropical Cyclone Iris. Some modelling is being crazy with projected tracks, and here are some models, and we could actually see another tropical signal, Solomon Island region and New Caledonia or Vanuatu could be hit by a major. A couple of models are indicating that Iris could become a Category 3 system. Now we will have another look at both Josie and Iris in the morning. I was hoping that the Joint Typhoon Warning Centre might have updated. They normally update around 1830 hours, but They're saying that Iris could do a complete circle, and I wouldn't rule that out because it is those high pressure systems, the steering ridges. So I think Iris is going to be around for quite a few more days yet, possibly 2 weeks, but that's how I see it. Caution needs to be applied when viewing non-official weather information, as the information does change. Now this is one of 4 models. Tropical Tidbits. Levi Cowan is the owner operator. He's a fantastic person. Knows his stuff and provides a valuable service. But those tracks, they're all over the place. Could it track down towards the Sunshine Coast? Sea surface temperature is 29 degrees Celsius. Now, what does one say about the CPS track guidance? And as mentioned, there are 2 models indicating a possible Cat-3 system. We know that the cyclone will be upgraded to Category 2 status sometime tomorrow. Now here's the latest up-level divergence, a little bit stronger to what it was this morning. And the Oz Cyclone Chasers on their Facebook page earlier today had a posting that a landfall or coastal cross can't be ruled out. I think Iris is going to have quite a few more surprises. Wind shear, deep layer wind shear, and very low wind shear where Iris is. The blue and the green represents low wind shear. Here's the A50 millibar vorticity, and you can actually see the icon indicating the position of Iris. Here's the latest Bureau's track chart. And finally, the Joint Typhoon Warning Centre's track chart. Force 13 is looking for those that would like to be part of a international weather-based group, technical support, and here's Nathan.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com, which has had a revamp and is still under reconstruction, but take a look. Also YouTube, of course, if you haven't subscribed, that might be a good idea. Visit Force 13. We're also on Facebook under the same name, of course, and you can like us on there, and you can also follow us on Twitter. Search Force 13, all in text for those. You can also add Force 13 on Skype or my personal account on Discord, Fool13, at extension 9094.